When you ask for guidance, whether it is when you truly ask for guidance from your heart, from your higher self, your guides, God, all aspects of you, when you ask for guidance and when you receive it, because you will receive it if you ask for it willingly and for your highest good, and you are open to those answers. When you do receive the answers, be sure to be willing to step up, to change what needs to be changed, to fix what needs to be fixed, to let go of what needs to let go of. It is quite a responsibility, and so often we continue to look for answers, not because we don't have the answers, but because the answers don't fit our mold of being small or in our comfort zone. The answers ask us to step up, to be accountable, to do the work. And so often we just delay that because we're waiting for someone to give us an answer that allows us to not step up, to give us an excuse. Be very sure that you're actually willing to face the consequences of your answers. So much love.